Settle in now, get comfortable, and let the gentle hum of anticipation for a quiet journey begin. Imagine yourself nestled in a cozy nook, perhaps with a soft blanket draped over you, as we drift together into the world of space exploration. Tonight, we're going to talk about something truly special. The first crewed flight of Boeing's Starliner spacecraft. It's a story not of frantic action, but of meticulous planning, quiet dedication, and the steady, deliberate progress of human endeavor. Think of it as a slow, unfolding tapestry, woven with threads of engineering precision and the enduring dream of reaching for the stars. Boeing Starliner, officially known as the CST-100 Starliner, is a modern marvel of aerospace engineering designed with a singular purpose: to ferry astronauts safely and comfortably to and from the International Space Station, ISS. This isn't a story about fiery launches and dramatic rescues. Rather, it's about the culmination of years of careful design, rigorous testing, and a deep commitment to the safety of those who venture beyond our atmosphere. Let's begin by picturing the Starliner itself. It's a capsule, a sleek, rounded vessel that evokes a sense of contained power and quiet resilience. Unlike the imposing rockets of yesteryear that dominated the sky with their sheer volume, Starliner is designed for a more refined approach. Its shape is aerodynamic, a testament to the careful calculations that ensure a smooth passage through Earth's atmosphere, both on ascent and descent. Inside, the cabin is designed with the comfort of its crew in mind. Imagine spacious seating, intuitive controls, and large windows offering breathtaking yet serene views of our planet as it recedes. This particular flight, the Crew Flight Test, CFT, represents a pivotal moment. It's the moment when the culmination of all that painstaking work is put to the ultimate test: carrying human beings. For NASA, this means more than just another mission. It represents a significant step in diversifying its access to space. For decades, the United States relied on Russia's Soyuz spacecraft to transport its astronauts to the ISS after the retirement of the Space Shuttle program. While the Soyuz has been a reliable workhorse, NASA's goal has always been to restore domestic launch capabilities, bringing the launch and return of American astronauts back to American soil. Starliner is a key piece of that puzzle, a testament to the collaborative spirit and the innovative drive that defines modern space exploration. Let's delve a little deeper into the journey itself. The launch, when it happens, will be a controlled release of power, a gentle ascent rather than a violent explosion. The rocket that carries Starliner, often an Atlas V, is a seasoned performer, known for its reliability and its steady, unwavering thrust. Imagine the vibrations, a deep, resonant hum that gradually builds, lifting the spacecraft and its precious cargo away from the launch pad. As Starliner ascends, it will shed its protective fairing, revealing the gleaming capsule to the vastness of space. Once in orbit, the real work of the Starliner begins. It's a dance of orbital mechanics, a precise ballet of adjustments and maneuvers. The spacecraft will navigate its way through the vacuum, guided by sophisticated navigation systems and controlled by a team of dedicated engineers on the ground. Think of it as a gentle glide, a smooth progression through the inky blackness, punctuated by the soft glow of distant stars. The journey to the ISS is not instantaneous. It's a series of carefully calculated orbital insertions and burns, each one bringing Starliner closer to its destination. The docking procedure itself is a masterclass in precision. Imagine the ISS, a vast, intricate structure, a beacon of human presence in orbit. Starliner will approach slowly, deliberately, its sensors meticulously measuring distances and velocities. The final moments of docking are often the most tense, but for Starliner, the emphasis is on a soft, secure connection. It's not a jarring impact, but a gentle embrace, a seamless joining of two advanced spacecraft. Once docked, the hatch will open and the astronauts will transition from their temporary home in Starliner to their temporary home in orbit, the International Space Station. What does this mean for NASA and for the future of space travel? It means options. It means redundancy. It means the ability to launch astronauts from American soil with greater frequency and flexibility. For NASA, this partnership with Boeing is part of a broader commercial crew program, an initiative designed to foster the development of private sector spaceflight capabilities. This program has already seen SpaceX's Crew Dragon spacecraft successfully transport astronauts to the ISS, and Starliner's successful crewed flight will further solidify this new era of commercial spaceflight. Think about the implications. With multiple providers, NASA can ensure a continuous human presence in low Earth orbit, even if one system encounters unforeseen challenges. This diversification is crucial for the long-term sustainability of human spaceflight. It also opens doors for future missions, perhaps to the Moon or even Mars, as these commercial capabilities mature and expand. Starliner, with its comfortable cabin and its focus on crew well-being, is designed to be a reliable transport system, a dependable link between Earth and the orbiting laboratories that push the boundaries of scientific discovery. Let's consider the astronauts themselves. They are the brave individuals who volunteer for these pioneering missions. They train for years, honing their skills, preparing their minds and bodies for the rigors of space. On this crewed flight, they will be the first to experience Starliner's capabilities firsthand, providing invaluable feedback that will shape future iterations of the spacecraft. Imagine them floating in the Starliner's cabin, gazing out at the swirling clouds of Earth below, a silent testament to human curiosity and ingenuity. Their journey is one of profound personal experience, but it also carries the weight of representing all of humanity's aspirations for the cosmos. The return to Earth is as carefully orchestrated as the journey there. Starliner is designed to re-enter the atmosphere and land softly, typically with parachutes, in a designated landing zone. It's a controlled descent, a gentle deceleration as the spacecraft navigates the fiery embrace of atmospheric re-entry. Imagine the parachutes unfurling like silken blossoms opening in the sky, slowing the capsule's descent to a gentle touchdown. This return capability is vital, offering a different landing profile than the water landings of some other capsules, potentially providing more flexibility for mission planning. This first crewed flight of Starliner is not just about a single mission. It's about building a robust ecosystem for space travel. It's about fostering innovation, encouraging competition, and ultimately making space more accessible. It's a story of progress, told not through dramatic leaps, but through steady, incremental advancements, each one building upon the last. As you drift deeper into sleep, think of the quiet hum of Starliner's engines, the steady progress through the void, and the enduring human spirit that reaches for the stars. It's a journey of careful planning, unwavering dedication, and the serene beauty of human achievement unfolding in the vast, silent expanse of space. Let the gentle rhythm of this story carry you into a peaceful slumber, a restful journey through dreams as calm and steady as the flight of Starliner itself. The stars are waiting, and we are steadily, gently making our way to them. Sleep now, and let the universe cradle you in its quiet embrace.